Hi everyone, it's Ali from Inspire CA. Today I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to apply for your director identification a number for the recent changes that have been introduced. But basically, all new and existing directors will need to have a director identification number. Some will be required to get it sooner than others. And right in front of me is the sort of the key dates that when directors are required to get one. Basically, if you've been a director before the 31st of October 2021, you won't need one until the 30th of November 2022. And if you are intending to be a director from 1st of November 2021 until 4th April 2022, you'll need to apply for one within 28 days. And anytime from 5th of April 2022, you'll need to have one before you're able to become a director of a company. So yeah, fairly important key dates. Now I'll switch to the step-by-step process on how to apply for the director identification. Before you're ready sort of to apply, there's 3 steps that you need to do before you're able to go ahead and start the application. Now, step number 1 is to set up your mygovID. Now, mygovID is not to be mistaken with mygov. It's a little bit different. mygovID is an app. It's a dual authentication system that protects your data and how you log into really important websites such as the tax agent portal. Potentially as well, you can use it to log into mygov. So you need to have that set up beforehand. I'll leave the links for you to how to set up mygovID. It's fairly quick. It takes about maybe 10 minutes, depending how quick you are. You'll need some important information, perhaps your passport, driver license, Medicare card, things of that nature to be able to set mygovID. You'll need to have it set up standard or strong identity strength. There's 3 separate ones. There's basic, standard, and strong. You'll need to have either standard or strong to be able to complete the application. Step number 2 is to gather some information. Now, hopefully you should have your tax file number and also your residential address as it appears on the ATO. And a couple of documents such as either your bank account details or bank account details and your notice of assessment. Other documents that you could use if you don't have, for instance, you don't have a notice of assessment, you might be able to use the super account details, dividend statement, Centrelink payment summary, or pay-as-you-go payment summary. So you'll need 2 pieces of information. So I highly recommend if you don't have any of those, please reach out to, if you're a client of Inspire, please reach out to your account manager who will be able to help you with the documents so you're able to apply and make that easy, smooth application for you. So once you have that, now step number 3 is you're ready to apply. And you'll need to have everything ready for you to be able to hit that button to apply now. So once you hit that button, this screen will appear. Now you'll need to put your email address that you applied for when on your mygovID. You need to have your phone handy as well. Once you do that, put your email address, click remember me. It does help with being able to remember you again if you want to log back in, and then click login. Once you've done that, another screen will appear with a code. Obviously, the code that will appear on your end will be different. Once you put that code into your mygovID app, or click accept on the mygovID app, you'll be able to proceed to the next screen. Now this screen will come up, proof of record ownership. Make sure that you read the privacy notice and click agree to the terms, click next. Once you've done that, this screen will appear where it will confirm your details and also tell you that your ATO record has been verified, which is good news. Now, if your information is correct, then proceed to the next screen by hitting the next button. And now the third one here is for you to put the information that you have handy. Today, I'm going to be using bank account details and notice of assessment. So make sure you have those handy and then tick the bank account details box. Enter the BSV and bank account number. Now, bear in mind, this one needs to match what the ATO has on record for you. So if you have different bank accounts with the ATO and it's not going to match it, you won't be able to proceed to the next step. So make sure that matches. So enter the information and then scroll down to, I'm going to be using this as a second proof. I'll be using the notice of assessment. This is what a notice of assessment looks like. What you will need is two pieces of information: the reference number you see right there, as well as the date of issue when the notice of assessment was issued. So once you put that information under the notice of assessment, click that you agree to verify and linking your record and then hit submit. So once you've done that, this screen will appear. It will say your ATO record has been verified. Select continue to return to requesting service. Then hit the continue button and this screen will appear. Make sure that you read the application requirement of being a director and tick those two boxes. Once you've done, then you can hit the next button, which you can see right here on my screen. Then on this screen, you'll need to reconfirm your details. Make sure that they have your correct full name and date of birth. And if you had it previously, if previously known by another name, make sure that you insert that information in there. Confirm your place of birth. That's also very crucial there for directors. Then you'll need to confirm your residential address as well as your postal address, followed by at least your mobile number and your email address. Once you put all the information there, click that next button. And then now the final step is to just reconfirm all the information that you put through together, just running that final pair of eyes on it. Make sure that they've got your full name, date of birth, place of birth correct, your residential address, postal address, and contact details. And finally, when everything appears to be correct, make sure that you read the declaration here and then tick that box and hit submit. Once you hit submit, hopefully it will be accepted straight away and your details match. Once you've done that, the next screen you'll see is something like this. Your director ID will appear and the date of issue, and it will tell you also the status. Now, this is the whole of the application. It does take between 5 to 7 minutes, depending how quick you are. And once you have this information, bear in mind that they will not post this information for you. So my recommendation is to take a screenshot of this information because we will, you and your accountant will need it. You can also make sure that maybe click print or save as a PDF and save that on somewhere on the cloud or on your email, and also send a copy to your accountant because we will need it to set up future companies as well. So that's it in terms of the process of setting up your director identification number. like I said, it is an fairly easy process, provided that all the details actually match the ATO records and you don't have any hiccups there. If you do run into any issues, please reach out to your account manager and we'll be able to help you with this. Unfortunately, we can't apply on your behalf, but we can give you all the information that you need to apply. Once you have that, it will be an easier process to actually set up directors in the future. I hope this helped you immensely to be able to go ahead with the application. If you do have any questions, please reach out to your team at Inspire CA, and we'll be able to guide you through the whole process if you need any assistance. Thank you.